So as you can see, it's not next week. We've had a spell of storms and rain and all kinds of stuff, primarily through the weekends and a lot of just through the week. Didn't really have any dry time to get the car out and do any type of test hit, to make a log, send it to my tuner, and get everything kind of sorted out. So I've been doing a bunch of other things. And if you've been following me from the beginning and you remember me saying, "What the f is leaking?" I found out. And it's not fun. I was hoping that it was a easy fix, you know, just something small, maybe some RTV didn't seal. That wasn't the case. And it ended up costing me about $300. Actually, not about, it was $300. It sucked. So I'll show it to you. And this is it. I guess I got a little bit overzealous tightening it down and snap. So got a paperweight, maybe be able to fix, but I was able to get, you know, the valve cover. Hopefully I don't crack this one as well, because I don't have another $300 to spend on a valve cover and they're not exactly easy to find. So I'm gonna get this on real quick and then we should be able to have some time to do yet another hole. Alright, so I got the valve cover on, everything's put back together nice and pretty like. Did a quick start, didn't see any oil leaks. I let it dry for a little bit longer, but we're about to get in the car and do another run. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, arrested, or anything else like that, so wish me luck. As you'll see in the video I'm about to show you, I did one and the log was just absolute junk. I tried telling my tuner it was absolute junk. He said, "Oh, I'll look at it." No, I get it, no big deal. But basically the log just decided to cut out as soon as I got to full boost, and I don't know what happened. That felt pretty damn good. Really damn good. I actually got the logs downloaded. Here they are. Now some of it is missing information, like lambda targets and lambda 2, which I'm not using. But that's practically what I'm looking at log wise. I'm going to send it to Chris down there in Houston. He's at a race right now actually. But I'm going to send it to him, have him check it over and see what he thinks, if things need to be switched up, checked out, whatever. Go real fast for you. This is where it hits max boost up here, which looks say 236 kPa. Then it slowly, of course, kind of tapers down to about 201, which isn't horrible for a stock turbo. So I'm not going to complain about that. And see, what is 201 kPa, because I don't know the calculation off the top of my head. Puppy, big puppy, big puppy. So it drops down to about 15 pounds. So from about 19 to 15, you know, honestly, I'm not even going to come close to bitching about that, especially on this dinky ass little stock turbo. That was a hell of a lot of fun. This is the most I've driven this car in a long time. And I'm going to be driving it a whole lot more. I cannot wait for this season to start. I am excited to drive this thing again. Alright guys, catch you later.